Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Grace. How are you all doing, Sensei? Oh yes, I'm back again. In today's video, your girl will be showing you how to make this okra soup and fufu. I think this is not fufu, this is oatmeal fufu, right? And this is Chima and Chino all-time favorite food. Chino loves swallow, Chima loves swallow. You could see the way they are eating it. And I saw a lot of these videos, running up on TikTok, people eating fufu for the first time and not liking it. Well, I'm here to break your bubble today that Chima and Chino are full Nigerian kids born in the US. But I'm just going to teach you and walk you around this delicious soup, and I hope you enjoy it. Let's just watch the intro. So the ingredients we'll be needing for this delicious soup is fish and chopped okra. These are the main ingredients. Now let me put you through the health benefits of fish for kids. It has a high quality protein, vitamins and minerals. Fish is a great source of healthy fats that are essential for the child's developing brain, nervous system and vision. So that is a very good protein for kids, right? So I'm just going to show you how I dissect. I clean it up. I had to take out all the scales, all the fins, everything, just so that I could go ahead and start cooking it. So I chop it into little pieces, and I clean it up, and I put some onions and some seasoning cubes and salt and a pepper, just a bulb of pepper, because this kid doesn't eat anything spicy. So after that I just put it on the stove and let it cook for about 5 minutes. So while the fish is cooking, I decided to blend the okra. And yes, has someone told you about the benefits of okra for your kids? It has lots of vitamin K, along with a decent amount of folic acid and vitamin B6, vitamin C. It also contains soluble fiber, which fills your baby's gastrointestinal tract. Get that. So this is how I wanted the okra to. Yeah, please overlook my little humans fighting. If you have a toddler, you would understand what is going on there. So once I've added extra water, I decided to go in with the red oil, because red oil has a lot of vitamin A and it's good for sight. It's good for the kids. So I went ahead and I deboned the fish. This is super important. I learned this from my husband. He taught me how to debone fish, because they could mistakenly eat it and it would choke them, and it would be a lot of problem. You get what I mean? So just have to make sure you debone the fish for this kids. And then once I was done deboning, I added the okra into the soup. By then it has started boiling. The oil already changed color, you get what I mean. And then I added the okra, the blended okra into the soup, and I allowed it to boil for about 2 minutes because we don't want to overcook the okra. And then I added the boned fish, and there you have it. You don't have to cook this one much. Approximately 1 minute is done, and then you just take it down the stove. So the next part is making the fufu. That is where we're just gonna go over. So what I'm using for the fufu is oatmeal. Yeah, oatmeal is gentle on the tummies of your babies, and it's packed with fiber, magnesium, iron, and zinc. It's a very great way to introduce your kids with oatmeal because it's a natural. It aids in their digestive system. It helps them to digest food easily. So oatmeal is good. So yeah, Chima and Chino is going to finish this particular quantity I just added here. So what I did is the easiest way to make fufu, oats fufu. No need of going to the pot and start stirring it. Just blend it, put it in the microwave for 4 minutes, and voila, your fufu is done, right? So that's when it's done. I decided to mold some. Chima can eat by herself. She feed herself. Chino can't feed himself though. With right now, that tells me that girls are more independent than boys. You know what I mean? So yeah. So once I was done, I had to packet the soup into the freezer, and I dished some that I was gonna feed the kids with, and that is it. That you have the soup and the eba looking at you, and I mean the eba, the fufu, oat fufu looking at you, very delicious and yummy. And this is really good. And that's it, y'all. This is the end of the tutorial. If you learned one thing or two, please don't forget to give us a like, share, comment, give us a beautiful comment, and please subscribe to our channel. More of this will be coming your way, I promise. More of Chima and Chino will be coming your way, and I know you're gonna enjoy their company. You're gonna enjoy their videos. We love you so much, and have a blessed day. Don't forget to watch other of our videos. You're gonna like them. And see you next time. Bye.